In this video, I'll help you find the top 5 best energy stocks in the market. We're going to use Tykr to save you a lot of time, and if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. All right, let's get started. Looking at my screen, we're going to the Assets tab on the left and then go to Stocks and close the menu. And you can see right now we have about 50,000 stocks in the market. This number changes every day because there's stocks always going public and other stocks going back to private. Now, what we want to do here is we're going to start with organizing our columns. This is very quick and easy. So go to Personalize, and you can turn on and off whatever columns you want. I kind of have my favorite columns turned on, and then you can arrange them in whatever order you want, like this. So I like to see the summary right up top. That's that traffic light rating system where stocks are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. That's green, gray, or red. Then I like to see the score, the margin of safety, the 4M. We use AI to look at the 4Ms of investing. You get the math part, the meaning, that's the business, the moat, that's the competition, and then number 4 would be the management track record of the CEO and the leadership team. All right, and then I'd like to see the 7. This is the number 1 most important column I care about. It kind of rolls up all the ratings into one clean interface between 0 and 7. And if you can get a 5, 6, or 7, in most cases, not all, but most, you typically have very consistent returns, big returns in the market. You're going to see that in a second. And then right after the 7, I'd like to see the 5-year returns. Now, we know that past performance does not guarantee future results, but like I said a moment ago, you're going to see a correlation here. When there's a higher score on the 7, there's typically, in most cases, not all, but most cases, a higher returns on the stock. That's what we're looking for, those stocks that are consistently beating the market. All right, we'll hit apply and we'll start to work on our filter or screener. And this is very easy. So here we go. I have the summary right up top. Let's click on sale, hit apply. And we can see here we go from about 49,000 down to about 4,800. Now let's go ahead and update our sector. You have sectors and then you have industries. Sectors are kind of like the parent and then industries are the child. There's about 11 sectors and then there can be upwards of about 100 industries, depending on how businesses classify themselves. They can be a little more loose on the nomenclature there, but sectors, do keep that in mind. It's 11. So we want to go to sectors and we're going to look for energy. There you go. Hit apply. Narrow it down to 165 stocks. All right. And then I'm based in the States. This is just me. I'm going to filter by US stocks, but no matter where you're at, you can keep this open or you can filter by your own country. Let's go ahead and go United States. We're going to narrow that down to about 30 stocks. And then what I want to do is look at the 7. Again, the 7, this is the number 1 most important column you'll use in Tykr. I'm going to change the filter from 5 to 7, and we're going to see this 30 change to 12. There you go. So we went from about 50,000 stocks to about 12 stocks in about a minute, give or take. All right, now what we want to do is we want to sort by the 5-year returns. We're going to make sure it's high to low, and you're going to see a correlation here. Higher 7 score, higher, or can be very high returns. Again, not in all cases, but in most cases. It's kind of like the easy button with finding the best of the best stocks in the market. And one more thing before we take a look at these stocks, a nice round number to remember is 80%. 80% returns over the last 5 years. That's typically what the S&P 500 returns over 5 years. We like stocks that consistently beat the market. So here we go. Weatherford, they're 748%. Chinnery, 309, ArcRock, 291, Oceaneering International, 233, Vantage, 211. You can see here the correlation. If you can get 5, 6, or 7 on that 7 score, again, in most cases, not all cases, those returns are typically very high. So we're scrolling down, we can see 192, 187, 186, 140, 138, all the way down to 89. So all 12 of these stocks are beating the market. So there you go. There are the top 5, or in this case, the top 12 best energy stocks in the market as of right now. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. And if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. Of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.